Okay, welcome to this tutorial. Today we shall be talking about list. The first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is a list? A list is a collection of items. A collection of items. An example of this is, we create a variable. Example. To create a list, you use block brackets. So I can have a list of strings, like say name of my friends. This is a list. It is a collection of items. You could also add numbers to your list. One thing with list in Python is that list can take different data types. You can combine different data types in a list. So if I type example, watch what I get back. So what are other means or other ways we can create a list? You can also create a list this other way, using the built-in list class. Just type the keyword list, then in a bracket you give the names of the items you want to add to the list. So, wow, I have an error. List takes at most one argument, but 5 was given. So I think I messed it up there. I think it's done this way. List, then in the bracket, inside you create another bracket, but a block bracket this time around, just like as we did in the first one. You add all the items that you want to have in the list. So okay, I made a mistake there. I forgot to add the closing block bracket. So let me do that. Let's say example 2. This is what I get, which is the same with example, the main example, which is the example 1 we first created. So with this, you can choose the way you want to create your list. But looking at it, you will see that it is much more convenient to create your list using the first method, because if you check the second method, you are still doing the same thing you did in the first one. So most people always use the first method to create their list. So with what we have here, it is much more convenient to use the first method to create your list. A recap of how to do it again. To create your list, you if you want to store your list in a variable, you give the variable name, then your equality sign, then in a block bracket you put your items inside that block bracket, separating them with commas. So just like that, I have here Charles, Charles, then let's say the age of Charles 20, then Nicholas, let's say the age of Nicholas 21. And the good thing about a list, just like as I've said earlier, is that you can combine different data types. You can even sometimes put a Python statement in a list. We'll look at all those later. So that is it. See you next time.